Hey, in this video, I'll show you a few ways to actually fix TikTok internet connectivity. If you have a network problem when using TikTok, I'll show you a few ways to fix it. But before we start, just give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 14,000 subscribers last night, which is really great. But yeah, we want to get 100K. So what you want to do is actually go on TikTok, actually out of TikTok, and first, make sure that you have mobile connection on and Wi-Fi on, and that you do not have airplane mode. You also want to go on your settings and make sure that airplane mode is not selected. And this is the first thing you should do. The second thing is make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok available. Sometimes you have network issues and they are aware of those. And with a new patch of TikToks, with a new update, they're fixing all of them. So you want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and just type in TikTok and make sure that there's no update option around next to it. If there's an update version option, make sure you update it ASAP. This is the first thing you can do. The next thing is go to your settings on Android, go on apps, iPhone, go to General, click on iPhone storage, then find TikTok. So you again go on settings, General, iPhone storage. Now find TikTok and let me search for it. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to load, sometimes it's hard to find it, but yeah, just click on the search bar at the top right corner. And the idea here is we want to find the app and basically clear the cache, reinstalling, reset it. This should help out a lot in a lot of cases, and it should fix most of the issues that you can have with the app. And the last thing you can actually do is actually go back a few times to your settings, go and find the TikTok app, and you want to make sure that mobile data and background app refresh is on. So click on TikTok app, background app refresh, mobile data is on. And last thing, there's one more thing you can do. Go to General, and if none of this works, what you want to do is go to General, go down to Reset at the bottom, and click on Reset and erase all reset network settings, which should clear a lot of information about your network. If you're having any issues, that should help. I hope this video helped you out, and I want to see you next video.